Today, I am reviewing the Cudy Outdoor AC1200 Gigabit wireless access point. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been putting the Cudy Outdoor AC1200 Gigabit wireless access point through its paces over the last few weeks, and I want to share my deep dive, hands-on review of this hardware. If you have a large property, a detached garage, a farm, or just a sizable backyard, you know how incredibly frustrating it is to deal with Wi-Fi dead zones the moment you step outside your front door. Standard indoor routers simply cannot push signals through thick exterior walls and insulation, which is exactly why a dedicated outdoor wireless solution is necessary. After installing this unit, running it through several severe weather changes, and testing its performance across multiple devices, I am ready to share exactly how it holds up in a real-world scenario. Let us start with the physical build quality and environmental durability, which are the most critical factors for any piece of outdoor networking gear. The unit features an IP65 rated weatherproof housing that feels remarkably solid and well-sealed. During my testing period, it encountered heavy downpours, intense midday sun, and high winds, and it handled those conditions flawlessly without a single drop in performance or signs of water ingress. The inclusion of 4 kV lightning protection adds an immense layer of peace of mind, especially when mounting the unit high up on a pole or an exterior wall where exposure to electrical surges is a genuine concern. The package includes versatile mounting hardware for both pole and wall installations, making it incredibly straightforward to secure to a backyard fence, a barn wall, or the side of an RV. Moving on to the technical performance and wireless capabilities, this access point is built on 82.11 AC Wave 2 technology, delivering dual-band speeds up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. In practice, the wireless range and penetration are outstanding. Cudy has equipped this device with 2 external 5 decibel detachable antennas that dramatically increase the sensitivity and overall signal quality. I noticed a massive expansion in my outdoor coverage area, with the beamforming technology doing a wonderful job of tracking my phone and laptop even when I walk to the furthest edge of my property. Because the antennas use standard RPSMA interfaces, they are fully detachable. This is a brilliant design choice by Cudy, because if you ever need to upgrade to specialized, ultra-high-gain directional antennas for an exceptionally long-distance link, the hardware natively supports it without requiring you to buy a whole new access point. Another standout victory for this device is the presence of a true Gigabit Ethernet port. Many budget-friendly outdoor extenders bottleneck your network speed by including cheap 100 megabit ports, completely capping your internet potential. The Cudy AC1300 offers full 1000 megabit speeds over a wired connection, which means if you have a fast fiber or cable internet plan, you can actually utilize those high speeds out in your yard. The data throughput feels incredibly snappy, easily supporting high-definition security camera streaming, outdoor movie nights, and fast file downloads simultaneously, thanks to the integrated MU-MIMO technology, which efficiently balances multiple device connections at the same time. The sheer versatility of this device is where it truly sets itself apart from standard network extenders. It features a 5-in-1 multifunctional operating design, meaning it can adapt to almost any network architecture you throw at it. You can configure it as a standard outdoor access point connected to your main indoor router via an Ethernet cable, set it up as a wireless outdoor Wi-Fi extender to repeat an existing signal, or use it as a standalone gigabit outdoor router. It even supports WISP mode for wireless internet service provider connections and functions as a gigabit mesh router to integrate seamlessly with an existing mesh ecosystem. Managing these modes through the web interface is clean and intuitive, allowing you to tailor the device specifically to your layout needs. Installation flexibility is further enhanced by the brilliant Power over Ethernet options. The access point supports both standard 82.3 AT and AF PoE, as well as 24 to 50 volt passive power supplies, and Cudy handily includes the PoE injector adapter right in the box. This means you only need to run a single outdoor rated Ethernet cable to the device to deliver both high-speed data and electrical power.